Welcome to Agri-Gadget Picks. Freshwater storage can keep your plants healthy through every season. Best rain barrels for garden can help reduce water waste while adding a practical touch to your outdoor space. Today, we're checking out durable, efficient, and easy-to-use options that fit different garden sizes and styles. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. FCMP Container Rain Barrel. The FCMP Container Rain Barrel is a practical and efficient option for homeowners looking to start collecting rainwater for gardening and outdoor use. Its 50-gallon capacity offers plenty of storage for watering plants, washing outdoor surfaces, or reducing dependence on tap water during dry periods. The flat-back design is especially useful because it fits neatly against a wall or fence, saving space while aligning easily with a downspout for quick setup. The wide opening makes installation simple and also provides convenient access for occasional cleaning. One of the most appealing features is the expandable design, with side spigots that allow multiple barrels to connect together if you need additional water storage. Built from UV-inhibited, BPA-free polyethylene, this rain barrel is designed to resist fading, cracking, and damage from prolonged outdoor exposure. Its durable construction ensures long-term performance in different weather conditions. For gardeners who want an affordable, reliable, and eco-friendly rainwater collection system, this barrel offers strong value while helping reduce water bills. Number 2. Step2 Lakewood Rain Barrel. The Step2 Lakewood Rain Barrel is a stylish and highly functional rainwater collection system that combines performance with an attractive outdoor appearance. With its generous 60-gallon capacity, it stores more water than many standard barrels, making it ideal for larger gardens or homeowners who want to maximize water conservation. Its elevated design is a standout feature because it improves water pressure while making it easier to fill watering cans without bending down too far. Its stainless steel mesh screen effectively filters debris while allowing strong water flow, helping keep stored water cleaner for longer. The included brass spigot adds durability and a premium feel, offering smooth and dependable water access. Cleaning is straightforward thanks to the minimal assembly and wipe-down-friendly surface. Its dimensions also allow it to sit neatly beside a home without looking bulky or intrusive. For anyone seeking a dependable rain barrel with excellent storage, easy maintenance, and a polished design, the Lakewood model is a strong investment for sustainable outdoor water management.
Number 3. RTS Home Rain Barrel. The RTS Home Rain Barrel is an excellent eco-conscious choice for homeowners who want efficient water collection with environmentally friendly construction. This 55-gallon barrel is made entirely from recycled plastic, making it a sustainable option that helps reduce waste while conserving rainwater for outdoor use. Its flat-back design allows it to fit snugly against walls, fences, or sheds, making it especially useful for smaller yards or tighter spaces. The removable lid is a practical addition, allowing easy access for cleaning and maintenance, while simplifying water retrieval when needed. It also comes equipped with a sturdy stand, which raises the barrel for easier access to the spigot and improves convenience when filling watering cans. The included high-quality plastic spigot is secure and designed to prevent leaks, ensuring dependable water flow over time. This barrel offers a nice balance of durability, practicality, and eco-friendly appeal. For gardeners seeking reliable performance and easy installation, the RTS Home Rain Barrel is a smart and thoughtful addition to any water-saving setup. Number 4. Squeeze Master Rain Barrel. Squeeze Master Rain Barrel offers an impressive combination of durability, smart design, and eco-friendly functionality for households looking to conserve water. Its 50-gallon capacity provides enough storage to support daily gardening tasks, helping reduce water bills while giving plants access to natural, chemical-free rainwater. Constructed from UV-resistant and anti-freeze polypropylene, this barrel is built to handle harsh outdoor conditions while maintaining long-lasting performance. The flat-back structure allows it to sit flush against your home, creating a neat and space-efficient setup. A key highlight is the top mesh screen, which prevents leaves, debris, and mosquitoes from entering, helping maintain cleaner stored water. The ability to connect multiple barrels through side connection holes makes it easy to expand your water collection system as needed. Assembly is also straightforward, with included parts and tools that simplify setup in a short amount of time. For homeowners who want a practical, expandable, and durable rainwater harvesting solution, the Squeezemaster delivers excellent functionality.
Number 5. Good Ideas RW-ASPEN50 Rain Barrel. The Good Ideas RW-ASPEN50 Rain Barrel is an attractive and functional rainwater collection solution that stands out for its decorative appearance and reliable performance. With a 50-gallon storage capacity, it provides enough collected rainwater for routine garden maintenance, helping reduce household water consumption and lower utility costs. Its realistic wood grain and hammered metal texture create an elegant design that blends beautifully into outdoor landscapes, making it far more visually appealing than many traditional plastic barrels. The barrel is designed with secure drill points for fastening the lid, helping keep critters out and protecting the stored water from contamination. Built in the USA, it reflects solid craftsmanship and dependable durability for long-term outdoor use. Rainwater collected in this barrel is naturally free of chemicals often found in treated tap water, making it beneficial for flowers, shrubs, and vegetable gardens. For homeowners seeking both decorative style and dependable water conservation performance, the RW-ASPEN50 offers a well-balanced solution for sustainable gardening.
Best ceiling fan for kitchen. Kitchen ceiling fan with light. Quiet kitchen ceiling fan. Modern kitchen ceiling fan. Small ceiling fan for kitchen. Low-profile kitchen ceiling fan. Energy-efficient ceiling fan. Best ceiling fan with remote. Farmhouse kitchen ceiling fan. Flush mount kitchen ceiling fan.